Phil Spencer, the household chef. Today another travel-inspired dish. This one's derived from a caprese salad. I'm going to make an open-faced caprese sandwich. What makes my dish unique today is I'm going to use some ciabatta bread, put some olive oil on it, toast it, then we're going to add some sun-dried tomatoes, and then the rest of the ingredients for the caprese salad. Toasting my bread under the broiler. Got to be very careful. It does toast quickly. You don't want to burn it. Here I've added my sun-dried tomatoes, just enough to cover. Trust me, you do not want to skip this step. It takes the sandwich up a notch. And then add the mozzarella, a little salt and pepper to taste. Okay, basil. There's a huge debate on all this, whether you leave it whole, rip it with your fingers, or slice it up like I'm going to do a chiffonade here, where I roll it up and slice it into thin little ribbons. I believe doing that will actually release a little more flavor and aroma, and we are going to eat this right away, so that's the way I do it. The open-faced caprese sandwich. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.